We talk football SA lapho sibuka khona iBafana Bafana ibhekene khona neMexico khona le Mexico. I-half time njengamanje iBafana Bafana iyadliwa ngo-1-0 ngephutha lika Ronwen Williams noYaya Sithole lapho kade kufanele khona Williams engabe ukhahlela ibhola uyalikhipha kodwa akangalikhahlela. Unaye ugoalkeeper umphasela phakathi e18 ebe ebhincwe amadoda ngapha, which made it very difficult for the goalkeeper. Ronwen Williams, as the captain, he should have just kicked the ball away. He just made a clearance, but he tried to be clever, of which is something that he did also for Sundowns in the World Cup, and then it's costing us again today. So it's very ugly, but that is not the only problem. The problem was the lineup. The coach started with 5 defenders, 3 defensive midfielders and 2 strikers, of which means there was no one who was going to play the ball. So it means he was playing hopeful football during the first half. It was just hopeful that maybe we may score, maybe they may not score against us, because you can see when Bafana Bafana is moving across the 18 area, they cannot do any dangerous moves, because it's not people who can do the moves. If you put 2 strikers, one striker is wasted because he cannot combine play, and also at the back you put 5 defenders. Who is going to play in the midfield? You put 3 central midfielders. So Bafana Bafana was nowhere. The problem is the striker, is the lineup. The lineup was wrong, but let's hope he makes some changes and then maybe we can equalize or get a draw. We talk football SA. Siyabonga.